Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to comment anonymously on a Facebook group. Now first of all I need to mention that this depends on the group settings. The group admin can enable or disable this feature, meaning it does not work on any group. The group admin or the group creator that you want to do that in must enable that feature first. Now here I have my Facebook profile opened and I need to go to the group that I want to post anonymously on. So I need to go to the menu or even search for the group that I'm on. So I'm going to go to the group here. First tap on the menu icon at the very bottom right. Then tap on the groups option. And here select the group that you want to post anonymously in. I'm going to show you in a group that has this feature already enabled. And now, if I go to any post and try to comment, you'll see here under at the bottom here, next to the comment area, my Facebook profile picture with an arrow next to it. Now, if I tap this arrow, you can have the option to comment as an anonymous participant. If I enable it, okay, got it. If I enable it and comment anything, now my identity won't be shown and my post or my comment will be as an anonymous person.